morning, everybody. We are bright and early, so I'm gonna have a meeting with my manager this morning at 9 a.m. so I have to head out the door, and then after that I am doing something really fun with the girls. This week is just gonna be like easy, simple outfits. We're starting on Tuesday because yesterday was technically Thanksgiving. For all you Canadians out there, happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, this is the look. I decided to put the Speedy strap onto this bag just so I have a little bit more mobility because I'll definitely need that for where we are going. I'm also wearing this packable puffy jacket that I have from Aritzia. You guys know how much I love these jeans, but I just discovered like cuffing them makes them look really cool. Got my Mad Happy hat on. You know, all my favorites for winter. I'm excited. We're finishing off with these aviator sunglasses because I want to keep poking myself. Honestly, I think the hat and this together is a little much, but from the looks of it, it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna go now. Bye, love you. Love you. So I literally just got home from my meeting, but I didn't expect this today. I have this, guys, you know it's a good day when you have a massive Aritzia package. Aritzia sent over some things that are gonna be in an upcoming video, so thank you so much, Aritzia, for doing that. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below. So I have no idea what they sent over, so hopefully oh my god, okay. This is so nice. I really wanted this. I like it because it has this tie detailing in the front. Wow, this is so cute. Then let's save the last thing, and then the next thing I got, check it out. Exactly what oh my gosh, this is gonna be so great for my video. I asked for this little A-line skirt. I got this in a size 4 and I think it's gonna be really cute. This is by Blvd. It's made of the same vegan leather as the other one. I'll try this all on in an upcoming video for you guys, but I think this calls for a quick change. I think I'm gonna put this sweater on today. And then the last thing they sent over for my video is, oh my gosh, I got a super puff, like a legitimate super puff, because if you guys watched my last vlog, you'll know that like I just didn't like get a legit super puff ever. Like I don't have a legitimate super puff. I have that mega puff, which is literally like a crazy jacket, and then I have the super puff vest, and then I have a packable jacket, but I don't have one that's like a proper winter coat that you can wear every day. Let's try this one on because I know that you guys are gonna have a lot of questions about this, but there's so many good things to say about the super puff, so I'm so glad that they were able to make this work for me. So thank you so much, Aritzia. Try this on. I got the long one because it just made more sense because we have a dog. Got this in a size small. Oh my god. Okay, so guys, stay tuned for my Aritzia video that's coming up. It's not sponsored or anything. I'm a Canadian girl who loves the store, so this is a size small for everyone who's wondering. I'm ready for winter time. You guys are probably wondering why I got the light color. I'll explain it again in the video, but essentially these are machine washable, which I really appreciate, so I'm not too worried about getting stains on it or anything like that. Like the most annoying thing is if you have a light color jacket that's dry clean only. Oh, I'm so happy I got this. Okay, so I'm gonna change really quick, and then we're on our way to the orchard. Okay, let's put the stuff away now.
Did you thrift those? Or
Yeah, I did. So we made it to the farm. This is the outfit. It's essentially the same outfit, except I changed my sweater because we just got it. And I'm just grabbing something in the car for Haley. It's so stunning here. Oh, it's so nice.
wait, is that a new camera?
I got it for my birthday. Okay guys, we are back. Sorry for the mess, everyone, but we just got back from the farm, and I don't think I mentioned this before, but you guys probably know by now if you follow my friend Haley on YouTube. She is expecting, which is so excited. She's actually my first friend that is having a baby. It's just so crazy. I'm at that age where people are like having babies. Like what? So definitely wish her well on her Instagram and stuff like that. We took some really cute photos today, and that was kind of like the purpose of the trip. And so we all went together. It was me, Haley, Sarah, Annie, and Tara today. I mean, I'm sure a bunch of you guys know Tara Michelle here on YouTube. She does vlogs and stuff like that, and she's here in Toronto now, which is really, really fun. So we just had a really amazing time, and it was so nice to see everybody. Dylan and I are going to play tennis because we just don't think the public courts are going to be open for that much longer, so we're going to attempt to play tennis today. So I'm just going to pop this on. Let's just change really quickly and get to that. And this is what I decided to wear. Is my set active set. I just have this hoodie on. I have the matching little tank top. I'll try to link them in the description box below. That's about it. I have this set in a size small for anyone who's wondering. I know someone asked me that last time. I have on my classic Harvard sweater. Anyone who's like followed me for a while, you'll know that like I'm obsessed with this sweater. And then yeah, Dylan has our rackets. Love our new office, right, Dill?
Yes, this is a great setup.
Look at my office chair. Anyway, we have cleared this out this morning and everything's like pushed to the side here because we're getting a new dishwasher. We're so excited about it because we literally haven't had a dishwasher for
The pandemic.
not the entire pandemic, that's a lie, but at least 2 months. Pretty much the greater part of the summer till now, and now it's October. I don't know what's up. Like, I don't know if anyone else lives in a rental and your repairs are going really slowly as well. Let me know. Okay, so I guess I can show you guys a few updates of what's going on around our home. So if you guys saw our living room tour before, I may insert a clip here. We have like this like standalone light that usually hangs on the wall, but I replaced it with this beautiful lantern that you guys can get from IKEA. It's actually really, really weirdly affordable too. To do something like this, and I think it's such a great way to like install like some ambiance into your space for literally like so little money. I think it's so affordable and so easy to do, and I think it just makes our space feel so much more zen, which I love because I've definitely been feeling very anxious lately. Plan is today to finish my journal prompt. I have not been doing it every day, so this is a small update. I've been doing it every couple days now, and today's prompt is what is going well in my life. And I think that's a nice one because I feel like all the other ones, either I've been in like a weird place or the questions have just been feeling very like stress focused to me. But this is kind of nice that I'm actually able to talk about something positive in my prompts. At least that's what it feels like.
Perfect time.
The noise in our apartment is just like insane. It's like driving me crazy, guys. I'm sorry, I'm not in a good mood. But yeah, today's October 14th and we're going on prompt number 7. What is going well in my life lately? Stepping out, so I want to show you guys my outfit. I love how clear our hallway is right now, and I think it looks way better, right?
It's so nice.
It's so nice. I think we need to like do some minimizing. But anyway, this is the outfit. I'm just wearing a gray hoodie, this little shacket thing from Aritzia, my little New York Yankees cap, you guys know I always wear. The denim are, these are the skinny denim I've been wearing in a lot of my styling videos. They're Revolve LPA girlfriend denim, I believe. I'll try to link them. And then I just have my crossbody I was wearing yesterday, Air Force Ones. Honestly, okay, let me show you guys what our bedroom looks like. So we moved a lot of things from the front into here, so I couldn't really get to the closet or my drawers. So that's basically how I decided what to wear today. What do you think?
Pretty cute, huh?
Oh, thank you. But we need a mask. Let's go find a mask. Maybe we'll do this one today. This is also from Revolve. These are by Lovers and Friends and they're super cute. We're getting burgers.
Yay.
I haven't had a burger in so long. When was the last time we had a burger?
I guess before COVID.
And I haven't had South Street since...
Yeah, we haven't had made burgers. We made them ourselves.
Oh yeah, we had like veggie burgers, but I mean, I'm having a veggie burger, but like I haven't had like a burger at a restaurant in a really long time. Not that we're really at a restaurant, we're just getting some takeout right now. But yeah.
Good.
Yep,
socially distanced burger.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow. It's like a mukbang.
Did these have fun at daycare? 3 friends! You made 3 friends! Oh, you're so...
Alright, so now drop your arm, just your arm, your elbow's fine. If you can move in a little bit, like...
In where?
Like, so if your arm's like this right now, just go like this, like come in more, yeah.
Oh, cut it.
We finally are getting our dishwasher!
I'm so excited for this thing to work.
Aw, Toledo's been barking this whole time. He's been very stressed out. Aw, Beam Beam. Okay, everything's a little bit in disarray, so we're just kind of hanging out here. Yeah.
I feel like I can't get anything done.
No, I actually like this because it allows me to like not do anything. He's still technically here. We're obviously keeping a safe distance and we're going to wipe everything afterwards, but I did have to come home and do some work, which reminds me, I actually have more work that I forgot about, so we're going to finish that up. But it's kind of nice, like, feeling like I only have to focus on one thing right now because it's obviously the kitchen is out of order and like someone else is working in here, so it's kind of nice that I'm focused. I just posted a reel. It's about the 3 jackets at Aritzia, including the super puff that was in this video earlier, so definitely go and check that out. I think it's really cool. So and I rated them from like lightest to like warmest. I didn't really know what the opposite of warmest was because like coldest to warmest like didn't really make sense to me because they're all keeping you warm. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna keep on working and I'll check in with you guys when we get to try out our new dishwasher. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we just got our dishwasher. The handy guy left and we need to wipe the floor. Oh, okay, let me show you guys what it looks like. It's digital. Oh my gosh, it's so different than our old one. Wow, I don't really want to be on this bed, but oh my gosh, I'm so happy we got this. We're all cool. Oh my gosh, we just really need to clean up, but cycles. Oh my gosh, guys, our old dishwasher, it was like, no, it was buttons. It wasn't a turn.
No, it wasn't. It was just a button.
It was like buttons, but there's no digital display. This is so dope. Oh my god! Okay, and there's options. Well, we're gonna clean everything right now and continue on with our day. Okay, so we finished disinfecting everything just with these good old Lysol wipes. I don't actually normally use these to clean because obviously that's super wasteful, but I usually clean with vinegar and water, but since somebody was here, it just made more sense to like go in with the big guys and do this, so that is what we did. But I'm gonna just wipe down the rest of the kitchen because might as well, so let's go and do it. I've been really liking these Swedish dishcloths, guys. They're so great. You just get them a little bit wet with water and then maybe like a tiny bit of dish soap. You can wipe down your entire kitchen, rinse it out, and then they can actually go on the top rack of your dishwasher if you have one. So this morning I started my day off with just doing like a 10-minute yoga stretch. I think it was a girl named Yoga with Bird. Her video is actually really good, but I was actually thinking about doing a video after that, and that completely just like took all of my energy. I've been exercising so long, so definitely want to get back on track with that. I don't know about you guys, but I always find it really hard to make time for certain things, especially right now with everything going on this year. I think it's so important to prioritize our mental health and self-care and all that good stuff that I always preach, but sometimes you get like a little bit off track. So there are a few things I'm trying to do to not really focus so much on productivity, but really just focus on how much I can accomplish in a day and what I'm going to do to take care of myself for the day. Because if I'm going to be really honest with you guys, I've been feeling very burnt out. I feel like I'm so lucky I'm able to do what I do and stay at home, but I feel like the lockdown it's not even a lockdown anymore, but just like the current state of the world is really starting to weigh on me. By creating this to-do list, I think it's going to be a lot better for me, so I have a better understanding of what I want to do each day and all that fun stuff. So I'm one of those people, if the plans don't go the way I planned them to be, it's a little bit hard for me to adapt. I never used to be like this, but apparently now I am. And today I really want to film my apartment tour. It's really dark and just not the best lighting today, so I do want to give my apartment like justice and obviously do it on a really beautiful day where you can see all the light coming in from the window. So today is definitely not the day to do it, so I'm actually going to be moving that to tomorrow. And then today I think I may just do some little like work here and there that like I have been holding off, to be honest, on. So what I actually want to move around today that I was going to do tomorrow is actually thrift. I'm doing a 3 DIY sweaters video that I'm so excited about. Have all these really good ideas for it, but I do have to make it to the thrift store, and since today's not such a great day, it makes more sense to do it today, so we're gonna do that.
This the one you were talking? Oh.
Spent $21. It's not so bad actually, considering. But yeah, that's it. That video will probably come out like in a week or two from now. I mean, we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll be super inspired tomorrow and just do it. But yeah, it's gonna be on 3 tops. I think it's gonna be really, really fun. This is my favorite grocery store ever. This little grocery store that sells really fresh produce and stuff like that. Like the tomatoes always look really, really good. See if they have my dumplings, and they do. These are the best dumplings ever. I want to wrap up the vlog with a few thrift finds and all that stuff. So you guys know yesterday we were at the thrift store. I picked up 4 things to like DIY and stuff like that. So I wanted to show you guys what they were, but I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what I'm doing with them because I'm going to save that for the next video. The first thing I got is this sweater. It's originally by Moda International, and you can definitely tell it was donated because they shrunk it, but for what I'm doing that actually works out better. But is this one with these big billowy sleeves, and then they have like the skinny part here. Super, super cute. The next one I have here is this turtleneck. It's definitely oversized, and this one was $6.99. It's by Blvd Home, so I guess it's a men's cardigan, but I mean not a cardigan, it's a men's turtleneck, but it was in the women's section. Then I got this simple hoodie. This one was also $6.99. Just a plain white one. It has crop sleeves, but don't worry, we're gonna be doing something with that. And then the last thing I got is for myself, so I just kind of want to try this on. Okay, so let's try this on. This is something I just got for myself because it looks similar to things that they sold at Aritzia and stuff. It's $3.99, no label. But I think it's like the perfect like granny sweater. Would my Grammy wear this? No. But imagine it without a shirt underneath and just like as like a top with a bunch of layered necklaces. You guys know the drill. Maybe a beanie. I think that this is like so super cute. Like that. Anyway, this concludes my vlog. It's not really a weekly vlog, but it was the last couple of days. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to try to link as much as I can in the description box below. That's it, guys. Stay tuned for the next one and subscribe because I would absolutely love to have you. Bye, everyone.